Hello everybody, this is Leo. In today's video, without pleasure, I'm gonna show you how to create a logic system in which you're gonna get a spin button to rotate without stopping. So I have just an app here called spin, as I named it like that because I wanted to name it like that. So we're gonna jump right into Sketchware, but before, let's just enter the app. Once it starts, you can see that the button starts to run. So it's just spinning and actually rotating from this position to this. Okay, so as you can see, one thing that's very important, you may be wondering, and what can I do with that? That's simple. I know how to do that. Well, actually, the point here is not how you can do it, but how you can make it to run, how you can make it run, getting a shorter code, because there are ways for you to create it with limited ways. And I have seen a lot of videos that lots of developers create bunch of codes to run this same button when it's just unnecessary. And I'm gonna show you that there are ways for getting the code shorter. And there are many ways, but I'm gonna show you one easiest way, one easier way that's very important for you to create your business. You know, kind of thing. Sorry, I received a message here. So we're gonna jump right into the Sketchware, and I'm gonna show you how you can create this code. You want to learn Java. It's very important that you learn how to code. Java gives you permission and ways for you to create any kind of code, from the advanced to easiest way and codes for you to create any kind of action that you want to apply. Okay, and as you can see here we have the app, then a horizontal linear in blue. Let's go to on create event and on activity create. As you can see, it's very simple. I have applied the one counter from which we are going to use and get a position from to give us access to the variables. And as you can see, once we want to make it rotate, we have to create a logic here with the names that are important and which have all to do with our kind of logic, which is rotating the button. We have variable up, right, down, and left. We have applied to 0. You can apply it to any kind of number, but never apply it to 0, because the others are already applied to 0, and it's gonna an error may occur, okay, because they have to crash. So here, this button, we don't need it. I've just applied it here because I want to use it later for other actions and codes. And here, once, for example, up is less than counter, then or right and counter, and so on and so forth. As you can see, we should use a task. Then we have put 1 second for every half part of it. Then the button will rotate from position 0. That means it's gonna not dislocate, but it's gonna dislocate from the 0 position to 5 to 100 position. And you can apply the accelerate and decelerate break after a certain point of time. Restart, then 1 second of duration, and increase all of these 4 in a row. And as you can see, it's very simple. No need to create a bunch of codes. You can even shorter this code, but I've found this way, which is easier for you to understand that Java is when we create a logic based on how we can name it according to the action that's going to be applied. That's all about Java, and I hope you have learned this, which is very important for you if you would like to create a future career as a developer. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you share and like and subscribe here to my channel and share the video. See you next time.